Generating an employee performance report. Use the employee performance report in Shortcuts Live to see more detailed employee performance information, which can help you to manage your employees' performance. In this lesson, you'll learn how to run an employee performance report and print or export your report. From Reports, select Employee Performance. Then enter a custom date range and select Run, or select a date from the left panel. Expand and contract each of the performance categories to see the information you require. To export the report to Excel, click Export. You can then choose to save or open the zipped file. To print the report directly from Shortcuts Live, select Print. In this lesson, you've learned how to run an employee performance report and print or export your report.